This is a large antique pine wardrobe. This one dates from around about 1910, and as you can see it's also got two drawers at the bottom. So you've got a nicely shaped top to it. It does fully dismantle for delivery, so no problems going up stairways into bedrooms and what have you. It's got nicely panelled sides. And the front feet are, sort of quite nicely carved, almost trying to resemble the old lion paws, aren't they? Then you've got block feet at the rear. Again, the doors are panelled, as you can see. The two drawers, nice sized drawers, have wooden knob handles. And the fully working lock and key on the doors. Now we will fit a new brass hanging rail in here, and this is quite a deep wardrobe, so deep enough to be hanging large coats. The code for this one is P5502F. The price in the bare wood is £1,100, and if you'd like it wax polished, it's £1,250. It's 76 inches high, 63.5 inches wide. It's 26 inches deep, and as I said earlier, the internal depth nice and deep at 20.5 inches, so deep enough to be hanging the largest of clothes.